Hi, Auntie Joy.
What are you doing, Mr. Man? Are you in the car?
We in the car? We go bye-bye?
Car?
Car? Oh, car.
Say doggy. Doggy? See, I'm looking out the window. I don't see a doggy, Grandma. He says grandpa really good, but he doesn't say grandma.
See,
Grandpa.
see, Auntie, Titi. What is that little nose crinkle thing?